So if you want to show the cash on delivery option for some individual states in the country, then you can do it very easily. For that, I installed the advanced cash on delivery app from the Shopify app store. You can also download it. After installing the app, go here, advanced payment rules. Then create a new payment rule. Give a title, show COD for some states. Then add a condition, province or state, operator not in the list. In the value, add the code of the states like AR, MZ means Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram. You can also take the state codes from this list. Then add the action, hide payment method and payment method name cash on delivery. After that, active the status and save this. So now the cash on delivery option will be available only for Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram, and for other state it will be unavailable. So let's check it on the online store. If I choose the state Arunachal Pradesh, you can see the cash on delivery option is available. But if I choose another state like West Bengal, you can see the cash on delivery option will be unavailable. So in this way, you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's all today guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.